Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing another tutorial video for you. I get this video requested quite a lot. We've got here a VHS tape that's snapped. I'm going to show you what you need to fix this tape, exactly how to step by step fix it so it's as good as new. All you're going to need for this tutorial to fix your tape is obviously your broken tape. The case isn't necessary, I just brought it down just as it was. This is the one that snapped. You're going to need a sharp knife, preferably not a kitchen knife. I've mislaid my scalpel blade, but I don't actually need the knife myself. It's just for demonstration purposes, just to have it on the table. You're going to need a small flathead and a small posi drive, and that is it really. So the first thing you're going to want to do is unscrew. I'll show you that the tape snaps so you know that I'm not playing games. Look, you see, snap tape. There's no tape in there. It's all on this. It's all on this left spool. What we're going to do is we're going to unscrew this. All these screws with your posi drive, every one of them. Every one of these screws. That's not a screw, but that one is there, and the one there. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 screws to take out. Do that and then we'll jump to the next cut. Okay guys, so now we've removed the screws and we've put them safely over here. Next thing you're going to want to do, if you've got one, is to use your blade, but I don't have an edge label. I just have a security sticker which I'm just going to peel off. I'm just going to slice that down the middle. Bear with me 1 second while I just pass you off to my wife. Just gonna get your knife and just run it straight down the middle of your security stickers or your label. Try and keep it nice and neat so that you're not going to lose anything, and then you just literally pop it open like so and lift the bottom part of the tape off. Pick your reel up, pop it in the left side, feed that through. Don't worry about touching the tape, you're not going to hurt anything. You see, this is where the lead is broken. Feed it through these pins so it comes down onto this side. Pick your right reel up. Now what you're going to do, see this here is a little thing that's separate from everything else. You want to use your little flathead. You want to put your flathead underneath this where the clip is and pry it up. If it's going to let me do this one, it should do. Let's have a look. Like that, so that this little nugget pops out. Then pick your leader tape up, make sure it's nice and tight and that there's no more places where it's going to snap, just by giving it a little, not a massive tug, but a little tug, and then lay that in to where that groove is, so that your fingers like this, and then literally push this back in. It is very fiddly and sometimes can take a few minutes to do. Let's try and feed it through this way. Let me sit back down. I'll jump cut to where it's done because it might take me a couple of minutes to do, guys. Okay guys, the tape's back in its shell now, so I'm just going to show you exactly what it is now. These things probably will fall out and they go in this alignment. Springs onto the post so that they flick and click when this is pressed in from the VCR. Stops the tape from spinning, also acts as your tensioner. That's what actually clicks when your tensioner tape. Run it up through this way. It wants to go, actually I've done that slightly wrong. That wants to go behind that post. I've knocked it over. Let me just pass it back on to my wife and she can show you. As you can see, it's quite a fiddly little job, but it's not too bad. And then just tighten that back up now. I'm going to pop you back onto me. Right, try again. Okay, it goes up this side to the right side of this pin, then up onto here, around here, across onto this pin, down between these, and then on back onto your right reel where you've put the little clip back in. And these, as I say, they just move when the machine picks up on them. Okay guys, I'm going to put the top back on it now and then do you a shot with the top and everything back on. Hopefully the camera's not been too shaky for you and you've been able to repair your tape, and we'll show you it playing in a moment. Hi guys, now that you've got your tape back together, you can put your tape back into your machine. And there you go, it's playing. Let me fast forward it onto some footage for you. There you see Mr. Kenny Everett. Let's play it to show you that alt sound and everything works fine. Hopefully you've managed to follow that tutorial and that I've not been too rambly for you and I've been informative. If you have enjoyed the video, please like and share and maybe subscribe. I do have other tutorial videos as well, and I will see you next time guys. Bye.